Good morning, y'all. So it is Sunday morning. I'm going to make this really quick here. So I sanitized my bedroom and my bathroom yesterday. I posted out on my TikTok. But by the time you see this video, it would probably be 2 weeks ago. I don't know, depending on when I post this video, because, I have to get my life together. But my husband was out of town for a week. I got sick. And you can kind of still hear it a little bit in my voice. I sound a little nasally. But he got back yesterday. All these sheets are clean. I switched it out yesterday morning before I went to pick him up at the airport. The sheets that were on here in the comforter, I took them, I sanitized them, which I have to take them out of the dryer. What I want to do in here today is tidy everything up and mop, because that is one thing I did not do yesterday. And you can already tell my husband is back. There are his shoes and the dog toys are in here. Every time my husband is here, well, not every time. I mean, obviously my husband lives here, but the dog, Bella brings all her stuff and lays on my husband's side, which she had not done that all week because she's like, wait, my daddy's not home. So, but yeah. So I want to mop. I didn't do that. And I want to mop, and I'm going to use the Pine Sol again. I think I used it about last month, I believe. I posted a video on that. I don't mop with Pine Sol, but I will be doing that at least once a month because it is a antibacterial or whatever. And then I want to clean the baseboards in the bathroom, because when I was cleaning in here yesterday, I noticed that these baseboards were gross. It's just these right here on this side, because I guess the shower and the towels, but it's just really dusty. And then these over here are not. So, and then there's my hair. I got a vacuum. I'm going to use this power wash on the baseboards, and I think that's it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So it has been a while since I've posted. I have been super busy with life, but on this day I was actually getting over a sinus infection. My husband got home from being out of town the day before this video was filmed. So I was still kind of getting over the sickness, but I was better than I was a few days before this. He was actually gone for a whole week and I had planned to get a lot of stuff done, but that did not work out. I stayed in bed for that whole week. It was horrible. I really planned on getting a lot of stuff done, and the day after I took him to the airport, I woke up with just a sore throat, itchy ears, all of it. So needless to say, I didn't get anything done. So I really wanted to get some cleaning done, and I noticed the baseboards in our bathroom were disgusting, so I wanted to get that done. So I got a few things done on this day, and then I continued on with my cleaning the following day, but we're going to go ahead and get into this cleaning. Okay, so I do not clean my shower in my videos because I get wet and really dirty, and I did not feel like changing out my clothes. I just wanted to get the house clean, and at the end when I was done, I went ahead and got in the shower and I cleaned up my shower. So what I use on my door, I either use the power wash, or I have Barkeeper's Friend, I have the pink stuff. I pretty much use anything on that glass door, but what I love using afterwards is Rain-X. That thing works amazing. It keeps water off the shower door for a good while. I want to say about, at least for us, maybe about a month. And I mean, I take 2 showers a day. So yeah, there's water going down that shower door all the time, and it does a really great job. And then inside the shower, I just use either the power wash, maybe some of the pink stuff, but nothing too crazy. And then I just scrub it down, and that's about it.
When times get rough, I try to tell you we need to fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me. Simple as I say.
y'all, so I'm gonna wait for this room to dry and the bathroom, and let me show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, since I have a bucket full of water, mop water, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum here and mop. And let me just show you really quick what I'm talking about. So this is one of the door stoppers that I swapped out. It's super easy to do. Just turn it around and it comes undone and you can swap it out. So I got these matte black ones from Home Depot. It's a pack of 5 for like $12, I think. And sorry, the lighting in here is pretty awful. That is why I can't wait to get this hallway with new light fixtures and a different color in here. As you can see, this, God, look, it's so dark here. I still haven't done that door, but anyways, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum here and mop, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right, y'all, so we ended up getting the sectional that we had ordered back in November, and my living room, it no longer looks like this. So that sectional is huge. It takes up the whole entire living space. And I told that to my husband when we went ahead and purchased it. Well, he wanted to purchase it and I said that it was too big, and he insisted that it was not. And you guys, my poor living room, like, these couches are gone. That side table there is gone. I rolled up the carpet. Let's see what else. The lamp is still in the corner. The dog bed is still in the corner, but the whole entire middle living area, there is no walkable space because we also have this huge ottoman as well. And I'm probably not going to show it on YouTube because there's no way for me to get in there, honestly. I don't even know how I would set up the camera. Like, it's insane. I might share it on my TikTok. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and do that. And I'll share it on my Instagram, but I don't think I'm going to put it on YouTube. But yeah, the whole sectional takes up the living room. We're thinking of getting rid of that entertainment center you see in the back. Obviously that television is super old. I got that when I was pregnant with my son, which was in 2006. So that's how old that is. It's about 15, 16 years old. So yeah, there's a lot of things that we need to get rid of now because that sectional, like I said, takes up so much space. And also we have the IKEA table that we still have not put together, and we got that May 3rd on my birthday. We went to IKEA, picked it up, and it's still in a box. So every time I mention all this, I feel like people are going to judge and just, like, hey, what are you guys doing over there that you just don't have time? And honestly, we don't. And I stay home. I don't, work my 40-hour-a-week job anymore, but I still don't have the time. And especially when we have to build things, because that requires help and requires my husband's help as well. So yeah, it's a lot going on in our home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.